What about the next like big lesson you've learned from
Yeah.
from practicing as an attorney?
As an attorney, that there is always a way. There's always a solution. There's always an argument to be made. That is quite literally the history of American jurisprudence. Even when it looks like all the case law is against you, even when it looks like, man, you don't have anything to overcome that motion for summary judgment. You're like, oh, I don't even know how to go around this. Like, there is always a way. Even when the tentative comes out and it's not in your favor the day before the hearing, and you're going, oh my gosh, like this case is gonna get kicked out, or we're gonna get dismissed, like this is horrible. There is always a way out. That's what we do as attorneys. We come up with novel arguments. Again, that's the history of American jurisprudence. It's like things change and evolve all the time, right? And it requires such a noble profession. It requires attorneys to think of new ways of looking at the same set of facts and finding something that nobody else has ever seen. When I'm just like working on a case and like, you know, being technical, all about that's the stuff that brings me the most joy. It's just like, whoa, you just think of something, you're like, wait, I hadn't thought about that before. Like, I can argue it this way. Quite literally, until like, you need to convince me that there is no way, right? Because I'm just gonna keep knocking, I'm gonna keep trying. Sometimes I feel like we do that so much in our practice and for our clients, and we don't do that enough in life, in our own lives. But there is always a way, right? To improve, to get better, to change things, to represent your client better. And you give it your best shot. And sometimes you win, sometimes you don't. And that's the nature of our profession and, you know, of life. But you keep going.